These are Indian Motorcycle's infinite highway pegs. Now, most riders know you can easily turn your bike into a mobile recliner with a set of these highway pegs, especially when you're on longer touring rides where you just want to kick back, hit the cruise control, and really enjoy the glory of the open road. Now, these work with any Indian model that features front highway bars. That also includes Scouts that have been fitted with the front highway bar accessories. They'll also work on bikes that feature hard lower fairings. That includes Roadmasters or Chieftains that have been outfitted with the harder lower fairing accessory. You can mount these just about anywhere on those highway bars, high, mid, low, wherever's best for you in terms of comfort. You can also get different angles out of them so it's most comfortable for your feet. Now, these pegs are really versatile. They hinge really easily, so when you're not using them, they just fold right up. It's got really nice rubber grips here that really give you a secure footing. They also offer this really cool Indian script logo for a detailed touch. In short, if you're going to be doing a lot of long riding and you really want to stretch out and enjoy the open road, you got to get a set of these infinite highway pegs.